Now you're probably thinking right about now, meat patties. I have this set up, but I can't see anything because there's no screen. Well, as I told you, we got a combo method right here. We got a screen and a keyboard in one with the TI-84 plus. If it doesn't say plus, I don't even know. So good luck. Okay, so what I like to do at this point is I like to have the horizontal method. All right. Now I'm aware that some makeshifters have learned to put it here, which gives you a nice even look. And some people have even have it horizontal. I mean, a vertical over there. But personally, I either like it right in the center or horizontal like that. So I guess we're just gonna, you know what? Let me show you the wiring scheme first. You notice at the top, it's got something right there. You take that matching plug. Simple as finding a prostitute. You just gotta give it a little force, and that's in. That's pretty solid. That's not coming out. Okay, that's stuck in there until it's done. Okay, so yeah, we'll just do a vertical mount scheme. You just slap that bad boy right up her. Okay. Now again, oops. You're gonna want to plug this connector into something. I know you're gonna want to. So, what you're gonna want to do that is simply you're gonna go to your oh, what is it? Your secondary processor right there. Again, get a piece of tape. Your secondary processor is also your USB ports. So, make it touch the top. Make sure it's hovering above it. And just tape it down. Make sure the tape connects to all these circuits. It doesn't have to be stable, but it's got to be good enough. Alright. So this is what we got so far. Now the last topic I know everyone's going to be commenting about is internet. And I got your solution right here. Look at that. You know this kind of cable? The cable line cable? This is what we're going to use. It's going to be a direct feed to the internet. The internet's located in California. So yeah. You see them diodes? Take one of your cables, okay, hook it up. Make sure the pin is right in there. It can bend down a little bit, that's okay. And just, oh my god. Oh my god, my speakers. Okay. As I said, I'm actually going to use a different cord. Okay, same kind of cord though. Plug it in your diodes. Plug the other end into the top switch. Alright? You see what I'm doing here. This is, it's a loop. It's an internet loop. So that's what you got for that internet so far. Okay, so now your computer is all ready to go. So plug it in to the wall. Okay. So it's all rigged up. And then we're gonna I'm actually just gonna move my screen for this demo so you can see what's going on a little better. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do to start the whole thing up is you're gonna want to press this button. This is your first boot up. So you press that, and then after a few seconds, you're gonna probably get a battery low message. But that's okay, for the simple reason that this is powered by the outlet. It just remembers using batteries. So just spam clear a little bit, and that should go to the blank screen. Now you'll notice at this point you get some spinning fans, and these may start making noises, and the hard drive's under here. My fan stopped spinning. Yeah, you'll notice that the hard drive's under here start spinning up. Everything starts, making noise and stuff. So, yeah, just go with it. And that's basically, now let me just show you how to configure your new computer. So we've been waiting about a minute for this. And any second now it should start loading Windows. So, there we go. Okay. Now that's in Windows, you just got to. You should know how to use Windows, because if you don't know how to use Windows, you're a Mac user, and you should probably stop watching this video. And I don't even know. Just go buy a real computer. It irks me because everything's Windows. So yeah, have fun and don't abuse this system or glitch, because you may get banned from the server. Have fun. Be safe. Bye.